Okay, this is the 2016 Algebra NCEA 2 exam, end of year for year 12. And we have a log question to simplify this. This is a nice log question, very, very straightforward. The bit on the top here is the bit I'm going to focus on for a moment. And we just use a very simple principle here, that wherever you have a question to do with logs, and you've got, let's say, for example, I've got log, and I'll call it x squared, then the 2 we could remove from there and it just becomes the coefficient and becomes 2 log x. Same, of course, if I had, let's say, 3 log a to the 5. Well, in the same way I could remove the 5 and multiply it by the 3, I can also take the 3 and pop that up here, and that the 3, of course, would become, if you wanted to, 3 disappears, it becomes log a. 3 times 5 is 15. So you could go ahead and do either of those. Now we've got exactly the situation here. We've got 4 log u to the 3. So I've got a 4 out the front, and because I really want to place this into index form to make life easy for me, I think that would be a nice way to begin. So let's imagine I've got a 4 here and I've got a 3 here. Well, I can just simply take the 4 away and multiply it by the 3. Or I could take the 3 and I could multiply it by the 4, and so I'm just left with log u. And there's a big advantage to doing that. So if I, for example, took that 3, popped it out the front here, then I would have 3 times 4. The 3 here disappears, and I would end up with 12 log u over log u. Now you can see straight away what we've got there, which is rather useful, because log u, of course, divided by log u is 1. And of course that leaves us with 12. And there is our answer.